Hey, we are crawling on all fours, and today I'm in Cartersville, Georgia at Pine Mountain. There are two trails on this mountain, two main trails, an east and a west loop. They both reach the summit, and today I'm going to take out the Forerunner. We're gonna go on the west loop, I believe, but we're gonna start out at some pretty challenging, very, very dry, very, very sandy hills. I believe this is limestone. The way that it just turns into powder right beneath your feet, right beneath the tires of the truck. It makes it super difficult because it's steep, and again, the sun is just blasting down on this hill, so it turns into dust and just makes it very, very slippery, very, very soft to try to get the truck up the hill. But we're gonna go ahead and start out, so let's have some fun. You could tell right away the ground was pretty dry. There was a lot of dust that was being kicked up by the tires already. But it was still a beautiful day, nice and warm out. This is actually the first video that I'm showcasing the stickers on this truck. I printed these out myself. I used a combination of paper stickers like the number decals, as well as clear stock on some of the decals in the back there. Paper decals I was able to get a little bit larger and a little bit more color, especially using white, like some of the white text. Whereas the clear stickers, most of those were either just black and white or a single color. I sprayed matte clear on all the stickers and decals prior to sticking them onto the truck because I wanted to give them added protection from any sort of moisture, any sort of dirt, water, etc., etc. This crevice gave me some problems. Since it was so dry that day, I just couldn't get any grip. And you can see by the weight of the truck, I was just sliding all over the place. Lots of wheel spin. It just would not bite. So I couldn't get out of this one. I had to give it a little bit of an edge. These are the Traxxas Canyon Trail tires. Once they started biting, the grip was fantastic, especially on this loose soil. This is running stock Element Enduro suspension, but I am using the Hot Racing shock towers. They're pretty solid, no flex whatsoever. So that keeps everything pretty rigid. The ride height's a little high, but given the fact that these are taller tires, I think it's got the right amount of clearance without too much rubbing. Another little trouble spot, trying to get over this small little hump. Spots like this, I just had to back it up just a little bit, try it again. More slipping, had to back it up. Wasn't happy with that spot. I had to find as much grip as I could. And you can see I was just dropping in these little pockets here. Each time I just had to back it up, try it again. The only other major upgrade on this was the Hobbywing Fusion SE, the ESC and brushless motor combo. And you can see the low wheel speed. This motor's been fantastic on this truck. I really enjoy it. If you notice on the number decals, I chose the number 16. And that's simply because this is a 91 4Runner, but I didn't want to use a cliche number like 91, since it's a 91 4Runner. So I simply took the decal and flipped it upside down and came up with the number 16. I thought that was clever. All in all, this is a great looking truck. I'm super pleased with how the decals turned out. I like the looks of the aggressive tires. I think the sidewalls are the perfect height, good width. Roof rack came out great. Sand ladders. I like the mounting location on the top there. Fuel cell on the back. Body armor on the sides there. The super slimline bumper on the front keeps a nice scale look. Thanks so much for watching the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more content in the future. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, post a comment below. It really helps the channel out a lot. Thanks again. Keep crawling.